Hi, I'm Harneet Baweja and I own Gunpowder Restaurants and Empire. When we started, we were cool. I'd like to think we're cool even now, but we started trying to break the mold because we thought that food needed to be more than just fine dining or really cheap as chips. It needed to be soulful, it needed to have meaning, and it needed to be responsible. We're a group of Indian restaurants that push the boundaries as much as they can when it comes to flavor and produce. We don't think we'd be here if the old curry houses weren't. So it's our ode to those curry houses, but in a way, how a dinner party would be at home. It is a neighborhood restaurant. To be honest, we were having drinks outside a pub that I used to run called Madam Dragon. And I think we just got on and we started working together soon after. It's been 6 years, 4 projects in all. Some where Block 1 has come to the rescue and some where they've done it from the beginning. So I'm quite difficult to work with. And Block 1's been very good at managing my expectations. It's an important quality they have, which makes them special. Block 1's very good at understanding people, which is why they're good at understanding what projects require. As people who are on the creative side and business side, you're always wrestling with budgets and what you really want. They find a good common ground. Block 1 is made up of 2 people. They have other people, but it's 2 people that founded it together. They're very different personalities and they realize they have different personalities and they use that as their advantage to deal with different situations, which makes it much easier to get over hurdles. The construction process can always be interesting, to say the least. We've had a few times where contractors have either not delivered on design, or there was a few times contractors have over-leveraged and gone out of business. We find that Block 1 keeps a steady hand and Laura and Justin will find a way.
My name is Greg. I work for Gunpowder Group. I'm an ops manager for the whole group. Yes, I was involved in the design process of all the restaurants. Well, obviously, operational part of it, so flexibility, design of the places where the things are there, how operationally it's easily accessible there, and how it works for us from the point of view of the staffing. As well, of course, it has to be pleasing for the eyes, for the customers. The main thing which I work with, tables allocation and the bar area, which is quite important because I have that background there. So they done a great job helping us and going with the certain follow-ups and needs and quotations which we needed there. And many times they exceeded, they have a better idea than us to make it more flexible and more easier to use. The commissioning was clear. We have, phone calls, emails, everything was done on schedule, and they managed quite well last-minute changes because there always are last-minute changes, so that went quite smooth.